Hi, to fix not supported SIM on iPhone, first thing you're gonna do is open settings on the phone and find General tab. So here from the list, select About, and right now you need to scroll a bit down to find section Carrier Lock. So if no SIM restrictions is displayed like in my case, then your iPhone is unlocked. If otherwise indicated, such as SIM not supported or SIM locked, then contact your carrier directly to request an unlock, because your phone is locked to a specific carrier. And usually this can take 24 or up to 48 hours. Also, in the SIM setting, wait for about 30 seconds. Because if you can see like pop-up windows about carrier updates, then you need to follow the on-screen prompts to update your carrier info. The next advice is to remove your SIM card and then insert it back in the phone. And for that, take this tool which is called ejector pin and goes in a conflict with the device. But if you lost it, don't worry, you can try to use a needle, but be really careful because you may scratch the slot. Now, take a look at the left side of your phone, because here you'll find SIM tray. Take your ejector pin and place in this little hole, just like that. Then slightly press till the slot will pop up. And take it out using your nails. And of course, make sure that SIM card was inserted in the right position. So you can see here this rounded corner, right? And the same we can see on SIM tray. You need to place it so those corners will match like that. And now just put it like that back in the phone. So those holes will also match on the tray and on the phone. And close the tray completely. And of course, enter your SIM card PIN code if you have one. The next thing we need to do is to check phone for any software updates. For that, go back in your general settings. But now select the second section, software update. If you got any new updates like in my case, then select to update now or update tonight, because usually updates includes fixing old issues and adding new features. So it can help to solve problems with your SIM card compatibility. Now, the next thing we need to do is, of course, restart your phone. For that, we'll press volume up, then volume down quickly, and hold side button. Volume up, volume down, and side button. From here, ignore this power off menu, just continue holding side button till the screen will turn off, and you will see Apple logo appears on it. And now you can release the button and just wait for the phone to turn back on. Network problems may be caused also by incorrect settings. So let's go in settings again, pick general, and now we don't need to scroll all the way down to select this option, transfer or reset iPhone. After that, pick reset process, and from the list select to reset network settings. Don't worry, this won't delete any your data, it will just reset Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth settings, and so on. For that, you need to confirm this step by entering your current PIN code, also your screen time passcode if you have one. And then you need to press this red option, Reset Network Settings, and you will see that your phone is restarting right now. So, if the problem persists after following the steps above, then contact your carrier or visit an Apple store for additional assistance. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.